Shit, hold on. I'm finding truck wreck. Oh shit. Shit. Hey, before you get to Harriman, stop. Hey, anyone going eastbound, stop. If you can hear me, stop. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Fuck!
Harsh event detected.
Ah! Son of a bitch! If you can hear me, Will, I don't know where you are. If you can hear me, stop. Will, you still there? Okay, I just got hit. We got to pile up. Mother. No, it went off on its own. I got hit. I came to a stop. I am getting out and getting up on the hill. I am in the ditch. I'm stop back as far as you can, please, and get other people to stop. Okay, fuck. Okay, I gotta call line haul. Yeah, bye. Hey, Junior. Hey, shut up. Junior, stop in Laramie. I'm serious, stop in Laramie. We got a pile up coming up to Harriman. And people are not stopping. I just got ass packed. And again. Fuck. I gotta call line haul. Oh shit, Junior's not in here. Fuck. I just got off the phone with Will. I gotta call line haul. Alright, bye. Get out of the road so you don't get hit. Just get over here. Get in front of my truck. If you need to, go ahead and hop in my truck. Okay.
I don't have my glasses.
For right now, hop in my truck. Hold up, hold up. This is Charles Maurer out of UWY. I have been in an accident. I came to a stop. I got rear-ended. My camera did go off. morning. And no, I'm not. And more trucks are coming and wrecking into us. So, I hit my head, I don't know. I'm hoping someone called. I haven't called anyone but you guys. I did call drivers behind me. 307-509-9827. 632-4214. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yep. Yes, I don't know if anyone else has reported, but hello, I'm sorry, I had my headset muted. Has anyone reported the accident at Harriman Road, I80 eastbound? Yes. Yes, I was. I got hit. I actually came to a stop. I'm in a semi. I am still in the truck.
Can I get in?
Yes, you can get in.
Okay.
Um,
I'm getting into semi real quick.
uh,
I need to get.
I think so. I don't know.
I'm a nurse. I need my glasses out of that car over there so I can help with some CPR if I need to.
My name is Charles Maurer.
Hold on, baby.
Oh, they didn't stop. Good phone number is 307-509-9827.
There's another one, baby. Another one just got hit. Dude, there's a lot of us out here, man.
From my count right now, I'm counting at least
Baby, are you
10.
there?
I know there's a semi stop before me, and I've got a hold of a couple other guys that travel with me. They're stopping back a ways, and they're trying to get people stopped back there so no more get into this.
I'm inside of the semi right now. He's trying to call everything in. God, no, God! Shit! Shit! Get out of the way!
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh, he went into the ditch. Watch yourself.
fuck.
Watch yourself.
Oh shit! Oh my God! Fuck! Shit! I'm so sorry, cousin.
You're good. You're good. Get warm. That's
Yeah.
why
But being a nurse is hard for me not to help.
yeah, but right now with these people still coming, it's not safe for you to be out there.
Hell
You
no.
could get hurt even worse.
I know.
So,
That was close.
yeah, that was a fire truck.
Hey, baby. Are you still there? Hey, baby. Are you still there? Okay. Guys. Yeah, babe. Yeah. Yes, honey. Yeah. More people are still coming down the road and hitting the wreck. We just had a semi go through the ditch. Took it to the ditch. Ever since I talked to you. I was in the car. I had my hands on my bag. I couldn't find my glasses. So
this is a mile before the pilot of the 343 I-80
So I got
westbound.
out of the way.
This is also my truck.
Here comes another
Here comes another one. Here comes another one. No, I'm in the cab of this guy's truck. He's in the ditch. Yeah. There's like 12 trucks out here. 12 semi.